Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth. I am a tarot card reader, I am a runes reader, and today our question will be who is going to come back in our life and what will be the impact of that person in our life. So, you can choose any number from 3, 6, and 9. So, you can choose any number, whichever you want. You have to keep that number in your mind, and yes, I will tell you about the same now. So, these are my tarot cards. So I'll just place this 6 and 9 aside over here. We'll start with number 3. I'll just shuffle up my cards. I'm just shuffling up my cards. So yes. So we have over here 6 cards with us. So all of you can see this card, so we will not be counting this one. I'll keep it aside and take out another card. Okay, so let's start. So for people who have chosen number 3, so see, you might meet a person who is at a very higher position. So it might be related, a spirituality in your life. So the person will be very much spiritual, who will be, assumed as a guru by you, or people are assuming that person as a guru. And yes, definitely that person is a very knowledgeable person, a very spiritual person. So definitely if you meet such kind of person, so you have to take blessings from the person. So it can be a pope or a sadhu or some kind of very a person who is very much pure with heart, a person who has lot of feelings for everyone, the person who knows about whole world. So the person is very knowledgeable, a very spiritual kind of person. So we can see a person who is very spiritual can enter in your life. So if we see this card, then again you can meet a person who is very experienced in life, who has seen different phases of life, and if you require help from that person will definitely help you. He can definitely tell you about whatever what different kind of situations and how to face them. So it might be he or she, but yes, definitely the person will be very knowledgeable, the person will be very much experienced. So this can be also a person in your work, a very experienced person who knows each and everything about the work. So here there can be a spiritual part of your life, a spiritual part, and at the same time over here this person can be someone related to your work and the profession in which you are, and a very experienced person, a very senior person in the organization. So the person will be very much senior. So here there is a possibility that if you are planning to start a new relationship, or if you are looking for to start your relationship with someone, definitely there is a scope of also meeting such kind of person in the upcoming time. This kind of person who will enter in your life will be can be your life partner also. And yes, definitely that person will be very much rich, very much luxurious kind of person. And apart from that, it will be a very kind person, very humble person who wants to share their feelings, and very pure person. So that is about this card. And yes, definitely over here I can see that it will be a love of your life, or start of a new relationship. So the person who will enter over here might start a new love over here. So there is a possibility of a new relationship starting with this person in the upcoming time. So, and also definitely there is a lot of scope in coming together, having a marriage and having a family. So definitely we can see over here. So over here, if you are looking for any kind of legal matter, or if you are facing any kind of problem and you are waiting for the decision to happen, so you might meet a person who might do justice to you in this period of time, who will balance things for you. So this is also a very good thing, that if you are looking for pending things to get solved and the result is not coming out proper, yes, there might be a person who might do equal justice to it and help the things getting sorted out for you. So here, and yes, over here, King of Swords, all of you can see King of Swords. So definitely I can say that this will be a person, a very ambitious person, and yes, who knows what obstacles or what kind of difficulties there can be, and a person who is very much helping and who looks at the aim. So this person can make you more ambitious in life. So here, if we compare these two cards, so here there can be a person who does justice to everything, and then the person, these two cards represent a same person. So this might be the person and this might be the situation. So here the person knows everything, has seen everything, and he is doing equal justice over here. So that is also a very good possibility. So a very good aspect to think about. So overall, for people who have chosen number 3, if we compare in a different perspective, or if we compare all the cards together, definitely I can say that here you can meet a very experienced person. So these two cards might also represent a one person. There is a possibility, or these two might be different personalities. A spiritual one, a spiritual guru might enter in your life, or you might meet a spiritual guru. Here you might meet an experienced person in your work. So this is most probably might be related to your work, related to your business, a person who is very experienced and will definitely guide you. Here there is a lot of possibility that you might meet love of your life. So if you are looking for marriage, or if you are looking for a honest relationship, there is a lot of possibilities. You might meet a girl, or you might meet a boy who is very compatible with you, and a very mutual love, very understanding between both of you, for sure. Here I can see that this is one person. So if we assume King of Swords as a person, then this might be a person who knows everything about you and has ability to do justice to you. So if your legal matter is there, or if you are looking for any kind of other issues to get solved related to work or job, so here there might be entry of a person, and here he might help you to solve it. So that will be the impact overall for number 3. So yes, I hope you all have understood what I have communicated through for number 3. So now let's go ahead on number 6. So I am just keeping up these cards again away. So now we will move on to number 6. So 6 and 9, it is just however you look. So we can take each of this as number 6. So I have kept number 6 over here. I am again shuffling my cards. So I am just shuffling my cards. Okay. Yes, almost the shuffle is over. All of you can see I have shuffled my cards once again. So yes, so we'll start with two cards each in 3 places, and now we'll open up the cards. So okay, so it might be this way. So we are not going to look like this. So yes, so we'll just spread up the cards first while understanding the different aspect of it and the situation. So yes, let's get started. So here is Knight of Pentacles. So if we talk about Knight of Pentacles, then you might meet a person who is very much younger to you, possibility of a younger person in the upcoming time. And yes, definitely it will be related to your finances, or your business or venture. So here you might meet a person who is related to your finance, so or your business or venture, who with whom you can proceed ahead for your work. And if we see over here, Ace of Swords, then definitely the person thinks very wisely. The person is very wise person, has knowledge about starting new things, has taken all the knowledge, thinks very wisely, and he knows how to carry on the thing. So these two cards might represent one person. Knight of Pentacles will be that person who is aware about money, business and everything, and he knows how, over here he knows how to take the decisions very wisely and properly. So a very good chance of meeting such kind of person in the upcoming time, who can take your venture ahead, who can take your business ahead. So if you are looking to hand over your business, or you are looking to hire someone for your work, so you might get a very good person in the upcoming time. He will be a younger person and very dynamic kind of personality, a person who is very focused, a person who can change things for you, change things for your business with his thinking. So that is for sure. So again over here, for people who have chosen number 6, I can see that there are possibilities that you can meet your soulmate over here. So again, if you all are also looking to start a relationship, so Ace 2 of Cups, definitely it represents relationship and soulmate. So there is a chance of meeting your soulmate, and over here if we see you will be overall happy with, and there will be balanced kind of feelings, joy in your life with this person. So these are two different situations with the person whom you might meet in the upcoming time, and you'll be very happy with that person, you'll be very jolly with that person. The relationship will be very much pure between both of you, and there will be a lot of understanding, and there will be a lot of happiness as well. So very good thought to give a start to a relationship. So even if sometimes if you're facing problems in your relationship and you want to get them solved, so these two cards, so there is a scope. If you want to come together again and start over again, there is a scope. So overall a very good understanding between both of you is seen over here, and definitely this represents happiness, love of your happiness in your life, love with people, understanding, fulfillment of life, balance in life. So yes, so over here definitely again I can say that there is possibility for you all to also meet a person who is very much again spiritual. So who might if you want to take guidance from this kind of person, definitely the person will give you proper guidance. So here I feel that this person might be related to your work, because if we see Knight of Swords over here, so it also represents a person who is very a personality who has lot of thinking in himself, who knows different kinds of situations in life, who knows different kinds of abilities, who has seen lot of obstacles, but his aim is clear. And the reason behind that is over here, because here the person has knowledge about everything, and over here he is not seeing the obstacles. So this might be again a person related to your work, or a person related to your business, and this person might be a bit of experienced one. So he might be bit of experienced one, a person who is aware about everything, a person who knows how to take decisions wisely. And yes, here we can see his decisions are very much respected. So you can see these two people. So here the decisions are very much respected. The people don't question him back again. So that is for sure. People just trust him. So this person is very much trustworthy among people, and even you can trust that person. He might give you a new start in your work or your business or any kind of a profile. So that is for sure. So guys, for number 6 we'll just have a recap again. So here you might meet a person in your work or business who can take your business or venture ahead with his vision and his thinking. Here there is a possibility of starting a new relationship with your loved one. So with a new lover, or even with if you are facing problems in your relationship, and if you want to mutually solve it, there are possibilities that you can solve it and get that person back in your life. So there are possibilities. And over here again we can see a person who is very much respected, who knows lot of things, people believe in him. So you might meet such kind of person in the upcoming time. So yes, this is for number 6. Now I guess we will move on ahead to number 9. So I'll just take these cards back again. I will shuffle up my cards now again. I want you all to see when I'm shuffling them up. I want you all to understand what people you are going to meet, what is their impact in life. So, it is very important for us to understand such kind of people. It is very important for us to understand various kind of situations to take very much decisions wisely. So, again, I'll just first place this over here. Number 9, 2 cards, again 2 cards, and again 2 cards. So yes, I'll just open up them. Okay, so here also we are opening up. So yes, everyone is able to see. So for people who have chosen number 9, so Ace of Wands, so if you are expecting a child birth, so there might be entry of a family member, a child in your life. So there is a lot of possibilities in the upcoming time. So there will be a lot of happiness in family. A child might enter your life. If you are looking for, you are expecting a child, so there might be entry of that child in your life. However, here it is Queen of Wands. So here we can say again you might meet a lady love of your life. So if you are a boy, there is a lot of possibility that you might meet a lady, or if you have already a wife, so you will enjoy a new life starting with. So here I can see you already have a wife, and there might be entry of a child in your life. So this is the possibility over here. Not much to understand over here, but then yes, overall a very happy beginning for your family with the person. A new kind of beginning for your family is there, because if you're a boy, then this might be your wife, and yes, there might, if you are expecting a child, yes, there will be an entry of a child in your life, and then the life will be totally different with all these people. There will be a new journey starting for you with these people, with your family. So we move on to Ace of Cups and Page of Pentacles. So if we try to see Page of Pentacles, so this might be a person who is under age of 21. So if you are a boy, then you might meet a person or a girl. So if you are a boy, then you might meet a girl who is younger to you, and then if you are a girl, then you might meet a boy who is younger to you. And yes, definitely over Ace of Cups, then we can see a deep kind of understanding and new relationship starting between both of you. So this relationship can be related to your love, and there is a possibility that it might be related to your work also. But I feel that strongly it might be related to your work. So you might meet a younger person and in your workplace, and then there will be a relationship forming between both of you. So here you can meet the person for your work purpose, and here the relationship might be starting between both of you. So these are the two aspects of it, but it can be vice versa. So it might not move to a love relationship, but it might stay over there related to your work only. And yes, there might be a possibility that you all want to continue the relationship and go ahead, love, and then take a call on marriage and all. So that is also a possibility. But yes, definitely you will meet a younger person who has a lesser age than you, that is for sure. And yes, over here if we see, so overall I can see a new beginning in life. So for people who have chosen number 9, so there is an end of a phase, and might be a start of something new in life, something new which you really want to change in your life, which you really want to upgrade in your life. And here if we see, so you might be feel betrayed in the past, or you might be you might not be in a great situation, and due to which over here you might start, and you might start something new in your life, because the situation over here, so if we compare these two cards, we see that the situation was not that great in the current time in the past bit. And yes, definitely there is scope of starting something new and permanent in life. So I can see the connection between these 4 cards together, because here if we see Page of Pentacles, so this represents a younger person in life, if we see over here, then definitely you can build with that person, you can gel up with that person, you both understand each other, there is a lot of deep sharing between both of you, and you know what has happened in past with you, the situation what you have faced over here, and you might start new with that person. So this 4 cards might be interlinked with each other, 1 2 3 and 4. So this 4 cards might be interlinked with each other, and we can keep these 2 cards separate. So this is for number 9. We'll just have a small recap about number 9 once again. So here you might meet here you might meet a person, or this person might be already in your life, and you might have to start a new journey with that person over here, a family journey. So entry of a child in your life, so that is a possibility. And here we can see, if we see these 2 cards, a younger person who related to work purpose, and then building of relationship can be there. So number 9, so I feel that whatever situation is adapting you, you should take that from this, not concentrating on each and every card or each and every aspect. Whatever is there for you, you can take it from this. Whatever reading if you feel that is for you, you adapt to that one. And over here I can see that a new beginning, because the past has affected you, you might have feeling betrayed, or you might not be in a great situation, there might be betrayal. So a new start to everything is also seen over here. So overall a nice kind of new start I can see for people who have chosen number 9, a new phase of life starting, new something new starting in life. So that is very much great to all of you. So yes, this is for number 9. So guys, we have covered all the 3 numbers, and yes, I can definitely say the reading was very good, and I have enjoyed doing this video. So I would request all of you to please like my video, share my video, subscribe my video, and yes, please don't forget to press the bell icon for upcoming new videos. So guys, thank you very much, have a great time.